In this lesson, we will learn what are push notifications and the problem that it can solve. Also, the process of token generation and dispersal, and finally, the notification payload. So, what are push notifications? Push notifications are a way for an application that is not running in the foreground to let its users know has information for them. The information could be a message, calendar event, or new data on the remote server. They can display an alert message or they can badge the application icon. They can also play a sound when the alert or badge number is shown. When the users are notified that the application has a message, event, or other data for them, they can launch the application and see the details. They can also choose to ignore the notifications, in which case the application is not activated. So what are the problems that push notification can solve? Well, on iOS devices, only one application can be active in foreground at a time. Many applications operate in the time-based or interconnected environment where event of interest to the user can occur when the application is not in foreground. So push notifications allow this application to notify their user when this event occurs. So how does it work? When an application is installed on a device, the system receives the registration request from the application, connect it with APNS, and forward the request. APNS generates a device token using information contained in the unique device certificate. The device token contains an identifier of the device. It then encrypts the device token with the token key and return it to the device. The device returns the device token to the requesting application as an NS data object. The application must then deliver the device token to its provider in either binary or hexadecimal format, and the provider uses this token to deliver push notifications. So what are notification payload? Each push notification includes a payload. The payload contains information about how the system should alert the user as well as any custom data you provide. The maximum size allowed by a notification payload is 256 bytes. Apple Push Notification Service refuses any notification that exceeds this limit. For each notification, compose a JSON dictionary object. This dictionary must contain another dictionary identified by the key APS. The APS dictionary contains one or the more properties that specify the following action: an alert message to display to the user, a number to badge the application icon with, and a sound to play. If the target application is not running when the notification arrives, the alert message, sound, or badge value is played or shown. If the application is running, the system delivers the notification to the application delegate as an NX dictionary object. The payload for a simple message looks like this. For the JSON uninitiated, a block delimited by curly bracket contains a dictionary that consists of key value pairs just like an NX dictionary. In our example, APS contains the field alert and sound. When this push notification is received, it shows an alert view with text "Hello World" and plays the standard sound effect. In